Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the AIPER Scuba X1 cordless pool robot. I've looked through the internet, checked user impressions, technical specs, and cleaning performance discussions to figure out whether it's actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest selling point of the Scuba X1 is convenience. Traditional pool cleaning can be time-consuming and frustrating, especially when dealing with hoses, cords, and manual vacuum systems. The cordless design here completely changes the experience because you simply place the robot into the pool, let it clean, and retrieve it afterward without worrying about tangled cables. The included wireless charging dock also makes storage and charging much easier compared to plugging in cables every single time. Cleaning performance is where the Scuba X1 tries to stand out from cheaper robotic cleaners. According to official specifications, the dual-jet system delivers up to 6,600 gallons per hour of suction power, which is significantly stronger than many entry-level cordless pool robots. That extra suction helps the robot pick up fine sand, dirt, leaves, pebbles, and other debris more effectively. AIPER.com. Another major advantage is the double filtration system. The micromesh ultrafine filter is designed to capture extremely small particles down to 3 microns, which means it can handle not just visible debris, but also finer dust and particles that often make pool water look cloudy. This is especially useful if your pool frequently collects pollen, fine dirt, or sand. One feature that really makes this cleaner feel premium is the Waterline scrubbing system. Many robotic cleaners can handle floors well, but struggle with waterline buildup. AIPER's WaveLine 2.0 technology is designed to maintain constant contact with the waterline area, helping remove grease, sunscreen residue, and build up more effectively. According to product details, it can even clean slightly above the waterline for more complete coverage. Navigation is another strong point. The upgraded WavePath 3.0 system uses intelligent route planning and obstacle detection to avoid random movement patterns that cheaper cleaners often struggle with. Instead of bouncing around inefficiently, the robot actively maps cleaning paths for smoother and more complete coverage, even in unusual pool shapes like bowl or diamond-style designs. Battery life is also impressive. With up to 180 minutes of runtime, the Scuba X1 can clean larger pools in a single session without constantly needing recharges. That makes it more practical for medium to large pool owners who need reliable, long cleaning cycles. Now let's talk about limitations, because there are a few important ones. First is price. This is clearly positioned as a premium robotic pool cleaner, so it costs significantly more than basic cordless pool vacuums or entry-level robots. Another thing to remember is that robotic cleaners reduce maintenance, but they don't eliminate it completely. You still need to clean filters regularly, maintain water chemistry, and occasionally remove tangled debris from the unit. Also, while the smart navigation is much better than cheaper random path robots, no pool cleaner is perfect in every pool layout. Certain steps, corners, or unusual surfaces may still occasionally require manual attention. The wireless charging dock is convenient, but the robot itself is still fairly large and heavy compared to smaller cordless pool vacuums, especially when lifting it out of the water after a cleaning cycle. After looking through everything, here's my conclusion. If you want a high-end cordless robotic pool cleaner with strong suction power, advanced filtration, smart navigation, excellent waterline cleaning, and convenient wireless charging, then yes, the AIPER Scuba X1 is absolutely worth considering. Overall, this is one of the more advanced cordless pool robots currently available, offering a strong mix of convenience, cleaning performance, and smart technology for pool owners who want a cleaner pool with far less manual work.